Out of all the actresses you work with so far, with whom you think you share the best on-screen chemistry?
I would say
If your fangirl steals your government documents and says she'll return them only if you marry her, what would you do?
अच्छा
Which was the first Bollywood celebrity you took a selfie with and at what age?
Shahrukh sir. I think I took it when I had एक बार किसी फैन का ये न्यूज भी ये किसी उसमें आया था पोर्टल में कि आई ऑल्सो मैरिड आई मैरिड अ फैन बेसिकली समथिंग लाइक दैट.
So, Karthik, will end this interview with a rapid fire with you. Out of all the actresses you work with so far, with whom you think you share the best on-screen chemistry?
I would say Tabu.
If your fangirl steals your government documents and says she'll return them only if you marry her, what would you do?
अच्छा कर लूंगा शादी. अभी वो आधार कार्ड वगैरह इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Which was the first Bollywood celebrity you took a selfie with and at what age?
Shahrukh sir. I think I took it when I had मैं ये इंटरेस्टिंगली मैं मतलब जब मैं पहली बार मुंबई आया था तो मैं एज अ फैन वहाँ पे मन्नत के बाहर वहाँ पे संडे था उस दिन. तो वहाँ पे वो बोलते हैं कि संडे को सर बाहर मतलब आते हैं वो वेव करने फैंस को. तो उसके लिए मैं उस टाइम गया था जब शुरू में आया था. एंड आई एक्चुअली गॉट दी वो भीड़ में वो कुछ कार से निकल रहे थे एंड गॉट दी अपॉर्चुनिटी वो क्लिक करने के लिए फोटो का. सो वो मेरे साथ हुआ था. सो ही इज इट्स शाहरुख सर.
So have you told him about this?
No, I haven't told him.
I hope he watches this then. If Karthik is upset, what is the easiest way to cheer him up?
मुझे खाना खिला दो. हाँ, I think I am a foodie. तो मुझे actually अगर मैं हाँ गुस्सा भी होता हूँ कई बार तो मैं खाना खाने लगता हूँ. So I'm a angry. I'm an angry eater.
तो क्या खाने में आपको सबसे पसंद क्या है?
I mean any sweet. I mean कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ sweet because I have a sweet tooth. तो be it मुझे डेयरी मिल्क खिला दो. एंडोर्स भी करता हूँ.
A fake news about you that made you laugh out loud.
ऐसी तो बहुत होती है सर. मतलब मैं बोलना नहीं चाहूंगा वो फिर वो हंसी नहीं रहेगी. बट ऐसी बहुत फेक न्यूज होती है.
But still, if you can mention one.
एक बार किसी फैन का ये न्यूज भी ये किसी उसमें आया था पोर्टल में कि I also married I married a fan basically something like that. So that was really like I laughed out because एक ऐसे कोई आया था मेरे पास कि मुझे आपसे एक फैन आए थे जिसको शादी करनी थी एंड it happened to be कि वहाँ पे कोई वो कोई प्रमोशनल इवेंट पे आए थे. तो प्रमोशनल इवेंट पे कोई ऐसे फैन आ गया था एंड अभी किसी ने वो देख लिया कि ऐसे ऐसे कुछ हुआ तो उन्होंने न्यूज छाप दी कि मेरी शादी मैंने फैन से शादी कर ली इन द मिडल वो कॉन्वर्सेशन सुन के. तो वो थोड़ा सा मेरे लिए बहुत लाफ वर्दी न्यूज था कि यार आपने बस इतना सुना था कि
धमाका में तो मुझे लगता है कुछ चीजें दिल से निकली हैं. Any 3 tips to girls who want to date Karthik Aaryan?
Just be honest.
How would you describe your experience of being a star in Bollywood in a hashtag?
Hashtag all-rounder.
All right, that's a good one. What is your resolution for the year 2022?
That I need to take some time off. I have to. I mean, I'm never able to. That's what I was saying कि वो मेरा thought ही बंद नहीं होता है काम को लेकर. वो resolution है कि थोड़ा सा शायद से उस चीज को थोड़ा कम करूँ. Because I don't want to maybe burn myself also with thinking about work all the time. So maybe that is something I would like to change.
I think Amruta said during the interview that Karthik was talking to Ram Madhwani at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the night, and then he was on the sets at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. That happened. रात को सो भी नहीं रहा होता हूँ, बस काम के सोच रहा होता हूँ. वही वो शूट चल रहा था तो it's a different thing altogether. So yeah, that used to happen during Dhamaka.
What impressed you the most about Shehzada?
The emotional beats.
If Bollywood were a school and you were its principal, what one change you'd love to bring?
Give more opportunities to deserving people.
What do most of the people misunderstand about you in their first impression of you?
I mean, I am a mischievous guy or a fun-loving guy, but they don't get the depth in me.
And that's an interesting one because you are fun loving and you're laughing and
Because I'm fun-loving and I'm mischievous, so they don't get the depth or the seriousness that I have.
I think they should talk Koki. They should watch Koki and they'll get to know the depth and the knowledge.
Yeah.
And then they should watch the interview with Barkadat. So they get to know a lot more about you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, answer these questions based on your experience of working with following celebrities. Something about Kriti Sanon that can make any guy fall for her.
She's very caring.
Very genuine.
Very genuinely, she's a person. She's genuinely someone who cares for others.
What is something that can bring a smile on Kiara Advani's face?
Anything. She just keeps smiling. I mean, I was thinking कि कोई smart joke crack करो तो वो खराब से खराब joke पे भी हंसती है. But she's like that. She keeps smiling. So you give her food also she'll smile. You say something also she'll smile. She's always smiling. Yeah.
People say I'm very shy, but I don't agree with that.
I mean, I am shy. I mean, it depends. It actually depends where I am shy, where I'm not. So in between, abhi isme kaise bolu? But I'm not shy. I'm not shy.
I don't regret having passed any film in my career so far.
No.
Dhamaka is my best performance so far.
Yes, I would like to add on it also that also because the fact that you are in front of a camera for 2 hours, so वो उसमें कुछ भी fault थोड़ा सा भी वो होना तो वो dull हो जाएगा. So that is something which was like an X factor for me in Dhamaka to perform. So वो इसलिए मैं उसको बहुत या जितने भी मेरे बारे में चीजें लिखी गई उसको लेकर it's I think it's got to do a lot with that you're holding the camera basically throughout, and so that was something which was really experimental and different for me.
Tell me something. Have you ever got such unanimous positive reviews about your performance in your career?
I mean, post Sonu मुझे मिलने चालू हुए थे, but Dhamaka has been really unanimously next level. So the kind of response that Dhamaka has given, it's actually next level. It's something which I never thought that a thriller would give me.
No, absolutely.
So, I mean, that is something which was really different and unique about it.
Complete the following sentences, please. When I'm angry, one thing no one should do around me is
stop talking about what I'm angry about.
I can't live without food, oxygen, water, and
acting. Yeah.
What about love?
I mean, that I'll explore later. Right now, I can't live without it. Yeah.